to Scout Hill. Here, they have this one. So, pupunta kami sa go-kart and pag maganda sa Butterfly Sanctuary. And these are the Escats. Gilid, Raina. Watch your steps. Careful. Don't look back. Alalayin yung kamay. It's our leader. Ay, maganda to ah. Pwede sakay si ano. Ito yung go-pa.
So we are heading to go-kart ba yun? Yeah, go-kart. And we are here in Baguio. Ayan. Sabang po ngayon si Ona. And then si Mami. Sila yan. Ayan. Ona! Ano? Sa go-kart.
Dito siguro. Ayun, ayun.
Go-kart muna kami. Sir. Ha? Ay, nakita daw niya yung playground doon.
Literan mo rin.
Doon sa bandaran yung go-kart. Punta kami dyan. Oh, careful in riding, Ona. If you think defective, don't proceed. Oh, you have to wait for your turn. Okay. Take a slide. Just the slide, occupied ng mga swings. Yeah. Dito lang sa slide. You want to try once? Go. Wala na.
Hold tight.
Careful, Ona. Yay! Oops, careful.
Wala? Sige dahil. Nagulak ako. Alam mo yung media. Parang yung big side. Parang iba po. Pero naroon na tingnan mo nga yan. Hindi na kasapatos. Ayun o.
Okay.
Hindi na napansin. Yung shot lang niya.
I need to go back dun sa bandaran kasi nag-CR yung dalawa pero di nila alam kung asan kami. So once you go to Baguio, ang isa sa mga dapat alamin natin kung saan nakabase yung CR. Especially for our girls. Yan, kasi medyo alam ko na. Ayos ko ba yung damit ko? So here, dito sa right side ko, ang go-kart. We'll be riding here. Yeah. Baka nilapag mo na yan.
Doon na tayo.
Madison! Madison! O, Rian. Rian yung ganong tingin, ha? Okay, this is a go-kart event, guys. Okay. 300 per 30 minutes. Duo. Ayun na yung rates. So, duo. Hindi kaya ni Ona yon. Rian! Go on na, you follow daddy. Where's... Asan si Rian?
May payo sa banda. Ako na mag-aapong payo.
Rian! You just drive. Anak, ako na magbi-video sa'yo. Drive ka lang. Drive ka lang. Ona! Pinakamatanda dyan si Raul. Ayun o. Ayun o, naka-blue-green. Asan na yun? Where's Rian?
Grabe si Kyrie, oh. Galing ni Kyrie.
Nawala yung... Asan na yun? Ayun, 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 ayun. Daddy, picture. Picture. Oh.
Kyrie.
Ana, here. Wave.
Oops! Doon tayo sa gilid. Sa gilid. Yan. Go. Tingin dito, tingin. 1, 2, 3, smile.
Rian! Oh, there is Rian. This is my card. Yay! Uy, si Ono. Wala nang pakialam si Ona. Oh my God, oh my God. Eh, dyan ka lang para makuhanan ka. Mas maganda nasa bandang likod ka. Para kuha. Oh, sarap pala. It tests the endurance of your thighs. So, if you are into biking, maganda to. So, dapat sa bahay practice muna. Ha? Okay, there's Rian. Saying bye-bye na. Oh. Ayun si Ona. Ona, you're fast. Ona. Riona. Ona. Ona. Whoa.
Anita! Helping Kuya!
Ayun na si Ona. Ona, I'm at your back! Ayun naman si Rian. Mabilis! And this is me. Kita ba ako? Parang... Sarap mag-go-kart. Hindi naka-go-kart si Ate Raina because she's not feeling well. Masakit daw yung kanyang sikmura. So here. Anong galing? Oh! Daddy, kahit hindi pala hawakan, Daddy, oh. Kahit hindi siya hawakan. Raina! Raina! Oh. So this is a 30-minute ride, which is 150 pesos for solo and double 300 pesos. Hindi ko naman. So this is me. Woo. Yay. Ooh. Abangan natin si Riona. Ayan sila. Ayan sila. On pink is Rihanna, and on gray is Rian. So that my back. Ayan sila. Ayan na si ate. Oh!
Sabay tayo ha, sabay tayo.
Oh, go, go, go.
1, 2, 3, go.
Go.
Diba?
Sige, I'll be at your back. Yan. Woohoo! Not too fast. Not too fast, anak. Oh! Not too fast. Oops, not too fast. Pwede pa daw, pwede pa. Pwede pa. You are number 21, Riona. Aren't you tired yet? Aren't you tired? You're too strong. Oh, see, you're no longer holding your manibela. Oh, oh, can I try? Oh, I'm not holding also. Not holding. I'm not holding. Enjoying dito. Simple ride lang siya pero oops! Oh! What's that? I saw that. I saw that on I saw that. Oh, you hold, you hold. You hold. Oh, go more pa, more, more, more. Let's see your face. Wait. Kailangan maunahan ko si Ona. Kailangan maunahan ko siya. Woo, woo. This is Ona at my back. Yay! I gotcha. Oops, careful. Careful, baby. And there is Rian. Oops, careful. Nasaan na sila? Nasaan na sila? Yun, they're at my back. Yeah, si Ona. She's at my back. She's at my back. Ah, selfie. Ah. Ano? Ah. Pagod na kami. We still have how many minutes? How many minutes? Can you still do it? Oh. Yan, ganda tingnan pag ganyan. go. Oh, go, go. Oops. Oh my. I see. Oh, turn left, turn left. Sarap maging bata uli sis, no? Go, go. Ops, here is number 26. The blue cart. 21 on the lead. Baba, we ba si number 26? Let's find out. Pagod na akong nagbi-video. O, see? Freehand na, freehand. Freehand, pwedeng freehand. Tapos when you turn left, ooh. Doon tayo anak para malayo yung ano pag ganon. I'll go. Doon kayo sa back ko. No racing anak, no racing. Sabi ko huli. Oh. So since hindi ko mahabol yung mga kids ko, so let me just give you an update on our activity for the past few days. So actually pauwi na kami. We've been here to Baguio since Friday night. No. Friday, siguro mga lunch. So we just attended. We attended the barbecue party, proceeded to attending the PMA Alumni Homecoming 2023 because it's their 20 years. PMA Mandarangan class is their 20th year anniversary. So, pauwi na kami no third day, which is Sunday. Ayun na sila. Rion and Riona. Ayun. Lobat na. I'm tired. Battery check. Number 21, battery check. Oh, it's still full. Ayun.
Busy kami.